Top 5 Side Hustles That Actually Work in the USA 2026. Have you ever looked at your paycheck and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Millions of Americans are working full-time jobs, yet they're still struggling with rising rent, inflation, credit card debt, student loans, and unexpected expenses. The truth is simple. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer enough for many people. That's why side hustles have exploded across the United States. But here's the problem. Most YouTube videos talk about side hustles that sound amazing on paper, but barely make any real money. You'll hear things like, take surveys, watch ads, make money while you sleep. But after weeks of effort, people discover they're making only a few dollars. Today, we're doing something different. We're discussing 5 side hustles that actually work in America right now. These are real opportunities that thousands of people are using to earn hundreds or even thousands of extra dollars every month. Some require skills. Some require almost none. Some can be started this week. And one of them has the potential to become a full-time business. Make sure you stay until the end, because side hustle number 1 is creating millionaires every year. Let's get started. Number 5. Delivery apps and local gig work. Let's begin with one of the easiest side hustles available. Delivery apps. Many people underestimate this opportunity because it seems too simple. But simplicity is exactly why it works. Companies like food delivery services, grocery delivery platforms, and package delivery networks are constantly looking for drivers. Why? Because Americans increasingly prefer convenience. People are ordering food, groceries, medications, and household items directly to their homes. This creates a huge demand for delivery workers. The biggest advantage? You can start quickly. No degree, no special training, no expensive equipment. If you have a vehicle, a valid driver's license, and some free time, you're already qualified. Let's look at realistic earnings. Many drivers report making $15 to $30 per hour during normal periods. During weekends, holidays, and peak demand hours, earnings can be significantly higher. For example, a person working a full-time job Monday through Friday could spend 15 hours delivering on weekends. At $25 per hour, that's $375 per weekend. More than $1,500 per month. That's enough to cover a car payment, rent increase, or help eliminate debt. However, there are challenges. Gas costs, vehicle maintenance, insurance, taxes. The key is treating this like a business. Track every mile, track every expense, use the busiest delivery times, avoid low-paying orders. The people making serious money aren't working harder, they're working smarter. Number 4. Freelancing online. Imagine getting paid from your laptop. No boss. No commute, no office politics. That's why freelancing has become one of America's fastest-growing side hustles. The best part? You probably already have a skill someone is willing to pay for. Can you write, edit videos, create graphics, manage social media, build websites, do bookkeeping, customer support, data entry? All of these skills are in demand. Many beginners believe freelancing requires years of experience. Not true. Businesses often need simple tasks completed, and they're willing to pay for help. Here's an example. A beginner video editor charges $100 per project. After gaining experience, that same editor may charge $500, $1,000, or even more per project. The earning potential is enormous because you're selling skills instead of time. One freelancer might earn $50 per hour. Another might earn $150 per hour. The difference is usually specialization. The secret is choosing one skill and becoming really good at it. Not 10 skills. 1. Master it. Build a portfolio. Get testimonials. Raise prices. Repeat. Many Americans have turned freelancing from a side hustle into six-figure businesses. And unlike delivery driving, there is no income ceiling tied directly to hours worked. Number 3. Selling products online. Now let's talk about one of the most scalable side hustles in America: selling products online. This includes e-commerce stores, private label products, handmade products, print-on-demand merchandise, niche accessories, and specialty products. Think about this. Every day, millions of Americans buy products online. People purchase gifts, sports gear, pet products, fitness accessories, motorcycle gear, home improvement items, camping equipment. The opportunities are endless. The biggest mistake beginners make? Trying to sell everything. Successful sellers do the opposite. They focus on one niche, one audience, one problem. For example, instead of selling sports products, sell football training accessories. Instead of selling pet products, sell football training accessories. Instead of selling pet products, sell products specifically for dog owners. Instead of selling motorcycle gear, sell premium riding accessories. When you focus on a niche, marketing becomes easier. Customers trust specialists, not generalists. A small online store earning 20 sales per day with a profit of $20 per sale creates $400 daily profit. That's $12,000 per month. And unlike a traditional job, your income isn't limited by your working hours. This is why e-commerce remains one of the most powerful wealth-building side hustles in America. Number 2. Content creation, 1230 to 1630. Let's discuss the side hustle that has changed thousands of lives. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, podcasting. Many people hear content creation and immediately think, I'm too late. But that's completely false. Every year, new creators become successful. Why? Because audiences constantly want fresh voices and new perspectives. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a studio. You don't need Hollywood-level editing. What you need is consistency. Let's say you're passionate about football, fitness, technology, personal finance, travel, cooking, gaming. You can build content around those interests. The income opportunities include advertising revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, memberships, consulting merchandise, and much more. Some creators earn a few $100s monthly. Others earn 6 figures annually. And the best part? A video can continue generating income months or even years after it is published. Unlike traditional jobs where you're paid once for your work, content can pay you repeatedly. That's powerful. Number 1. AI-powered digital services, 1630 to 2030. Now for the number 1 side hustle, the biggest opportunity of this decade. AI-powered digital services. Artificial intelligence is transforming business faster than most people realize. Companies need help with AI content creation, AI automation, chatbot setup, marketing assistance, social media management, video creation, graphic design, customer support systems, and workflow automation. Many small businesses know AI is important, but they don't know how to use it. That's where you come in. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to become a programmer. You simply need to learn how AI tools solve business problems. Imagine helping a local company automate customer inquiries, or generating marketing content faster, or creating social media campaigns. Businesses happily pay for solutions that save time and increase revenue. This opportunity is growing rapidly because AI adoption is still in its early stages. People who learn these skills today may have a major advantage tomorrow. Some individuals are already earning thousands of dollars per month helping businesses implement AI-powered solutions. And unlike many side hustles, this field is expanding rather than becoming saturated. Bonus section: How to choose the right side hustle, 2030 to 2130. Now you might be asking, which one should I start? Here's a simple formula. If you need money immediately, choose delivery or local gig work. If you have a valuable skill, choose freelancing. If you want long-term scalability, choose e-commerce. If you enjoy creating and teaching, choose content creation. If you want to position yourself for the future, choose AI-powered services. The best side hustle isn't necessarily the one that makes the most money. It's the one you'll stick with long enough to succeed. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats luck. Consistency beats perfection. Outro: 2130 to 2200. The truth is that financial freedom doesn't usually happen overnight. It happens through small, consistent actions repeated over time. One extra client, one extra sale, one extra video, one extra skill. Those small steps eventually become life-changing results. So here's today's challenge. Choose one side hustle from this list. Spend the next 30 days learning and taking action. Not researching, not planning forever, actually doing it. Because a year from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be grateful that you did. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.